A little while ago, I introduced you to some friendly AI avatars in Google Vids. Now, Google has added cartoon versions as well. Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem. To accompany the realistic AI characters, now two-dimensional as well as three-dimensional cartoon characters have arrived in your Google Vids studio. Let me introduce them to you today.
If you like to keep your videos more playful, you can select a cartoon avatar to narrate your video. Pick one of the 2D characters or one of the 3D characters like me. Hi, my name is Aiden. Keep your characters consistent in all your videos to create a cohesive image.
Or vary them up to keep up engagement and provide a richer experience.
Whichever your strategy, we are all here to help you.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website, www.cloudgem.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time.